We are excited to bring you along the ride. Welcome to Our Life in Israel. I am Taylor and this is Edan. We have explored many miles together and found ourselves living in Israel the last 4 years. In a farm village, you never know what to expect. This is Bagheera, Bruce, and Bonnie. Who's ready for the next adventure? Click the subscribe button and join us on our journey every single week.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. As you can see, it is pouring rain here today. Edward is so excited because why are you cutie? He loves giving kisses. That's one of his newest tricks. So we are going on a trail ride with a bunch of friends, like a bunch of friends. And as you can hear, it's completely pouring rain. So we're gonna see what happens. We're probably gonna ride in the rain. As you can see, my outfit is rainproof. Edward is not gonna be, but we will see how it goes. Your Arabian is coming out of you, huh? So if you're excited for today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and that all your post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video. And of course, welcome if you're new here. We're so happy to have you here. I would love to meet you. So comment down below if you're new. Comment down below if you've been around. And like, hey, if you subscribe, go ahead and comment that too because you will have a chance at my post notification shout out and giveaway. So let's get into this video. Edward, how do you feel about it pouring rain? Yeah, you're antsy and you're pantsy. And you're getting your wind shirt soaked? Yeah, Auntie Pants. That's the troublemaker in him. Let's show you guys. It is starting to pour, the first rain ever in Israel. Had to get the screen wet. Why not? We have the GoPro out today. Look at how nice that is. So as you can see, I'm trying to be rainproof. We'll see if it works out. Edward is like, what is happening? What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me, Mom? But we're gonna go meet your friends. And Edward used to have friends in his little pasture, but now he's the only horse there. So hopefully we will get him some friends soon. But now we're gonna go visit them when the rain stops. So I'll check the messages. Oh, we're excited. Come here, where are you going? Neglected. He's like, only if you have a treat. Give me a hug. You will love the ride, I promise. You're a good boy. So we are heading over to meet them. As you can see, we got this big ass rain cloud over here. So I don't know. We'll see if we get poured on because the sun is coming out over there. Maybe we'll see a rainbow, but I'm definitely dressed for the weather. I'm almost too hot, but it's no biggie. I'm excited for you guys to see everybody. They're just such awesome people. It's really fun to find a group of people that, you know, ride just very freely, I guess you can say. If you're a rider like I am, then you know that there's just a lot of different, you know, experiences out there, I guess. So it's just fun to finally find a little group to enjoy. And of course, you know, I just get really excited to be able to share these moments with you guys. So let's go. So we're speeding up to meet them. It started raining a little, but we got this.
Hold on, pause. I notice a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free. You can even use your Gmail account to sign up. And if you subscribe to this video and comment down below, I'll read your comment and respond because you know I love all my subscribers. So go subscribe and comment down below. If you subscribe, you'll also have a chance at my giveaway and post notification shout out.
There they are from afar. Do you see them, Edward? Excited. Edward's reaction. Yo, yeah! That's the badass motherfucker right there. Get it. Hi. It's my latest don't ruin my phone moment. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo. Whoa. Easy, bud. Super smoothness. What?
Are you with me?
I'm a free willy. Easy. Edward's like, I am one of them. Easy, easy. Just interrupting the road. I just don't want him to slip on the floor. Look at them go. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah, the stones don't suit you. He has found the one. Oh, yeah? Guitarist. Very tasty little sweet Sabres. You cannot have Edward. I'm sorry. Right from there. Bomb.com. You cannot have it, I'm sorry.
Sabres, and then we sell it. Bobo is coming.
Oh yeah?
You don't meet Bobo yet. You know Bobo? It's like
Bobo?
Bobo.
The Super Bobo.
Super Bobo.
There's video.
Oh, it's like a
So you can see? Yeah. See the screen?
Mm-hmm.
This is what I love about it.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun! Oh, this is a very nice shot. So of course, what's a ride without a beer, right? So we're just heading to the local supermarket to grab a beer. Oh my gosh, can I just park my horse right over there? See, I would have like, oh, you want some water, Edward? That's not water. Seriously, I would have like 50 horses before I bought a Tesla. Yeah, tying him up over there in the shop. This is the troublemaker. He's like, give me a snack.
I don't have. Je vais te loger a part.
Oh, not today.
You see,
Oh.
you see what this Israeli?
Edward.
I want to be fair. I told him maybe you make mistake for you.
Yeah, yeah. Edward, you're so cute.
Huh?
למה הבאת שתי בירות כאן?
אתה רצת שואל.
ומים?
מי? היא בירה.
את לא רוצה שוואמפס?
No,
I
she
don't
was
care,
bigger.
you guys. I'm just here
No,
for
she
the
was
ride.
big.
I appreciate it.
כן, נפתח, תחזיק נפתח.
Next time I'm bringing my wallet, it's my treat.
No, it's
Yes, yes. And look at Edward. He's like, give me some of this. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. This is troublesome. He's like, I'm thirsty too, guys. Hey, cheers, cheers. We need a cheers first.
Wait.
cheers.
Yes.
Ah, Maria.
Edward, you're like, give me some, give me some.
תראי, ירים.
איזה חזיר.
Edward, you're so funny. Look at how demanding. Cheers, you little cutie.
Oh.
Cheers. Edward's trying to steal everyone's drinks and snacks. He's very food motivated like his mom. You see him? Give me something. Yes, that's what the life's all about. Cheers. No, I'm good. Yeah, yo. Party style, party. How many young, cute horses? Oh, look at those cutesies. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're meeting a new friend? Look at all of them. Oh, she's cute or he's cute, Edward, huh? Say shalom. Look at all these cuties. How cute. Wow, what a beautiful farm. Hi. The whole ride we went without rain, but now, as you can see, this cloud is coming on in. Super fun. Now we are finally riding in the rain. Got our beer. Edward's soaked. He's all like ripped up. We left everybody trying to take me home in the rain.
This is the ride.
This is the real way to ride right here. What is life when you need it, huh?
Come on.
Who are these crazy motherfuckers riding in the rain? Let's make it roll. Let's splash in the puddles. I can't. I'm so wet. Splashing through the puddles. You're such a good boy, Edward. I'm so proud of you. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is my life. Can't wait to catch you all in the next video. Bye.